Welcome you all with pleasure. Now in this class we are going to see how to type with the Google voice typing mode, and you are having many type of options to type with the keyboard, but it is very tedious and using keyboard typing, and it is not a save or a time. But this type of voice typing is very easier for us to type in any of the languages, English, Tamil, and all of the languages are there. When you go get into the app, then you can easily find out here this is the Google page. Then go to this icon, that is the Google apps. Before that you have to log into your Gmail account, then go to this type of app, that is Google apps. There are 9 dots there, then scroll down, then you can get a Google document. Click Google document, then wait for some time. Then come to the blank document. This is the blank document. And then enter into the blank document. This is the blank document. Then come to the tools. Here it is, the tools. Before that, you have to connect your microphone or any other voice recording device to your computer or laptop. Then come to tools. Before that, we have entered into the Google document. After that, then click on tools. Then if you come down, then you can find voice typing. Okay, here it is, the voice typing. Then before that you have to set the language. Here that is initial language is English voice typing. Then now let us see how to type in English. Then click here. It is very easier to type in English. Hello. Hello, it is listening now. See here how fast it is typing. See here how fast it is typing. It's very easy to store and save. Okay. In this way, we can type many other languages. We can use many other languages. See here how much faster it is typing. Okay. Then now I'm going to stop it. Sometimes it is very tedious to type with a computer keyboard. Okay. Now it is typing very fastly. Suppose if any spelling mistakes or other type of mistakes if you find, then click on again. Then we can get the mode like this. After that you can easily correct it, and then you can do whatever it may be. You can make it as a paragraph or spatial alignments, and also you can number other paragraphs. You can draw tables, any other thing you can do with this. Then this is stored in Nirmala font, and see here as usual in the word format we can easily type. And also suppose if you want the same in editable format, then you can just copy it. Copy the paragraph. Copy the paragraph. Suppose if you want this in your desktop, then you can open a new Word document. You now open the Word document. Then just copy and paste. Paste here. Okay, whatever we typed in the Google document, then we can easily get it in the Word format, and then we can edit. Then you can easily take printout of this copy. This is very easy mode of typing. There are many other languages here. I'm choosing Tamil now. I'm choosing Tamil. There are 3 to 4 types of the same models, and then I am choosing Tamil India. I'm typing now in Tamil. குழந்தை வளர்ப்பு என்பது மிகவும் கடினமானது. இந்த சமுதாயத்தில் சிறந்த குழந்தைகளை உருவாக்குவது சவாலாக உள்ளது. Like this, we can use any other languages. Then we can easily copy to our desktop and then we can easily print out. You can take directly print out from this page also. Here we are having the option as it is in the Word document. See here, print then control P. Before that you have to choose the alignments, and also you can, if any other table needed, then you can insert the table. Register your valuable comments in the comment box. I'll meet you in next computer literacy program. Thank you.